Hello, I'm going to show you how you can make songs, scripture songs using Suno. So go to suno.com and then I purchased a $10 a month account. This is my name right here, Holy Roller, if you want to follow me. So you click on create and then I find songs or like verses off Bible Gateway and I like to use you could choose whatever translation you want. I like to use NKJV. And then I just copy it like this, and I like to paste it into Word doc because it's easier to edit here. And then you just have to delete all the extra letters and the numbers. So like these letters like this. Howler, numbers. All right, so just do this real quick. Delete. Because the AI will most likely sing these extra letters and numbers. We don't want to do that. Delete, delete. So you can just call it the prep work. Now, another thing with AI, you need to tell it what to do. So with Suno, you should actually just watch some YouTube tutorials on how to use Suno. That's what I did. If you need extra lessons. So songs, you should put in verse, and you got to use these brackets right here because that's how you talk to AI with Suno. Verse, you got to use chorus, you got to use intro, you got to use outro or end, you got to use end, and then I like to use instrumental. All right, so now let's put this into a verse. Another thing you could do is you could just tell GPT-4 or 3.5, whatever version you like to use. You could just tell it to put this in a verse. So copy, and then you could talk to it. Use these Bible verses to, let's see here, use these to make a song. Okay, you don't actually have to do that. All right. Use these Bible verse to make a song. Put in verse, chorus, bridge, intro, outro. Leave these words. Don't paraphrase. Do it this. Verse one, chorus, he shall cover you. Oh, that's pretty cool. Bridge. Verse three, chorus. Verse four, bridge. A lot of bridges, but let's see what happens. So that's what you can do. It's a really quick way to do it. So copy, and then I'm gonna do a little divider thing here. Boom, there's your song. So I'm just gonna look over it real quick. He shall cover you, he shall cover you, bridge, verse. Now I'm gonna add instrumentals. Intro, instrumental, verse, chorus. I like to put in instrumental after chorus. Verse, chorus. We're gonna do a bridge, that's fine. And then verse, chorus. Let's do instrumental, bridge. And then looks like it's outro. Let's do ending. So let's just make this a chorus. Chorus. Then we'll make it an end. So I do a bionic approach, human slash AI. With the AI does all the work. And outro. We don't need an instrumental at the end. So now, hard part is done. Now we do the fun part. Just gonna look over this real quick. It's fine, copied it. Now I'm going to go into Suno and create. Oh, wait. Oh, looks like I was working on a song. I'm just gonna do custom. And then I'm gonna paste the lyrics into here, just how I did it here in the document. And then style of music, this is the genre. So like if there's a certain song that you like, you can research what kind of genre that is and just put it in here. I like indie, I like soul, I like synth. Indie soul, synth, some pop. So you can do like female vocals. And then we'll title this Psalms 91. As you can see, I already played around with this. All right, now let's see what's gonna happen. Create. See what song it's gonna give us. So like it always gives us random songs. It's like a hit or miss. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. Sometimes you have to like create like 50 or 100 songs to finally find the one that you like. So let's hear what it made us.
He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under.
Not digging that. Let's see the next one.
He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty.
It's not really catchy. I don't like it. Well, I was gonna keep playing. Let's do electro. Let's add that in there. Create. For me, if it's not, it doesn't catch my attention in the beginning. I mean, sometimes it works out, but let's keep playing with it.
He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in Him I will trust.
Nope, not digging that. Maybe.
He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in Him I will trust. Surely He shall deliver you from.
I'm not digging that. All right, let's try something else. I'm gonna look in my notes here what I like. All right, I'm gonna do soul, pop, electro beat, synth, and indie. Let's try that again. Soul, pop, indie. Maybe that'll make it better. It usually does a good job with these. Sorry for the background noise. My kids are watching something.
He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty.
I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in Him I will trust.
Surely He shall deliver you from the snare of the fowler and from the perilous pestilence.
He shall cover you with His feathers, and under His wings you shall take refuge. His truth shall be your shield and buckler. You shall not be afraid of the terror by night, nor of the arrow that flies by day, nor of the pestilence that walks in darkness, nor of the destruction that lays waste at noonday. He shall cover you with His feathers, and under His wings you shall take refuge. His truth shall be your shield and buckler.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. Kind of might listen to that, so I'll just put that in my little looks like it's downloading. When it's done downloading, I would put it in my playlist. You can make it public so people on Suno can listen to it, but here's when it's done downloaded, you would add it to your playlist right here. So there, you just play around with it until you find something you like.
Who dwells in the secret place of the Most High?
So yeah, like genre, lyrics, create, and then you can download it. Yeah, download it right here. You can make a video or a wave audio. So yeah, that's how you make a song using Suno, using creating Bible verses. So it's a good way to meditate on scriptures while listening to catchy tunes. Hopefully that helps.